Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to learn more about division algorithm or Euclid division lemma and some example problems. In the previous video, we have seen what are real numbers and some definitions on real numbers. In this session, we are going to learn more about division algorithm or Euclid division lemma and some examples. Now, division algorithm. So, what is division algorithm? So before going to our topic division algorithm, we need to learn some more definitions. That is lemma. What is lemma? Lemma is a proof statement which is used to prove other statements. It is called lemma. Next one, it is algorithm. So what is algorithm? Algorithm is a sequence of steps. Algorithm is a sequence of steps. How to solve the problems is called algorithm. Algorithm is a sequence of steps. How to solve the problem is called algorithm. Next one, it is division rule. Already this is we know. So for example, for division rule, 23 divides 5. So 23 divides 5. 5 4s are 20. Means here we got it 3. So 23 we are dividing means we are getting coefficient is 4 and remainder is 3. So here 23 what we have to say? That is dividend. Dividend. Here 5 what we have to say? That is divisor, and Q is coefficient, and this is 3 is remainder. So dividend rule, what is the dividend rule? Division rule. So division rule is dividend equal divisor into coefficient plus remainder. This is called division rule. Now we will go to our topic, that is division algorithm. What is division algorithm? Given positive integers a and b, there exists a unique pair of integers q and r satisfying a equal to bq plus r, a equal to bq plus r, and here q greater than 0 and 0 less than r less than b is called division algorithm. So what is division algorithm? Given positive integer integers a and b, there exists a unique pair of integers q and r satisfying a equal to bq plus r and b greater than 0, comma 0 less than r less than b is called division algorithm. based on division algorithm, we can discuss some examples on division algorithm. Now example number 1, that is, show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and that every positive odd integer of the form 2q plus 1 where q is some integer. Where q is some integer. So what we need to show? Every positive even integer we can show 2q is the form 2q and odd integer of the form 2q plus 1 we need to show. So it is in the form of a equal to bq plus r type. So 2q plus 1 and 2q it is given. So it is in the form of a equal bq plus r. Here b value how much? B value is 2. Now let us discuss solution. A be any positive integer and b equal to 2. Here b value is 2. By Euclid division lemma or by division algorithm, by division algorithm or Euclid division lemma, a equal bq plus r, here b greater than 0 and 0 less than or equal r less than b. So here we are getting possible values. So b value how much here we took? B value we took. B value is 2. So r values, the possible values of r is 0 less than or equal to r less than 2 it is. So what is the meaning of 0 less than r less than 2? So what is the possible values of r? The possible values of r equal, so what we are getting? 0 and only 1 we are getting. So here we are getting 0 and 1. So here how many possibilities we have got? Two possibilities we got it. So case number 1. So first you have to take the case number 1. So in this division algorithm, we need to substitute these values. R value first we have to take 0 and B value you can take 2. So A equal to Q, B value is 2, Q plus 0. So A equal 2Q plus 0. 2Q plus 0 means that is 2Q only. So it is in the form of 2n type it is. 2n type means, so what is the even numbers general form? The general form of even numbers is 2n. So the general form of even numbers is 2n. Means it is the even number only now. This is in even number. So 2 into something means that is the even number. Now case number 2. So what is the case number 2? Here R value we need to take 1 and B value we need to take 2. So by division algorithm only, A equal 2Q plus R. R value is 1. So 2Q plus 1. A equal to 2Q plus 1. So what is the general form of odd integers? 2n plus 1 is the general form of odd integers. 2n is the general form of even integers. So this number we are getting odd number. So this is odd and here we got it even number. So we showed or not? Show that every positive even integer of the form. Every positive integer we showed here 2q. 2q means we got it here even number and 2q plus 1. Every odd integer of the form is 2q plus 1. 2q plus 1 only we got it. That is the odd integer. Conclusion must be need to write. Therefore, every positive even integer is of the form is 2q and every positive integer odd integer is of the form is 2q plus 1. Hence proved. Now we will discuss one more example that is same like this model only. We need to use division algorithm only. Next problem. Next example, that is show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 where q is some integer. So here odd integer of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. This two we need to show. So here it is in the form of a equal to bq plus r type only. So what is value of b? B is the 4. B value here 4. Now let us go. Same as these steps only we need to follow. Let a be any positive integer and b equal here 4. B value is 4. By division algorithm, so what is the division algorithm? A equal to bq plus r and here b greater than 0, 0 less than r equal r less than b. B value how much here? 4. So what is the possible values of r? The possible values of r equal 0, 1, 2 and 3. Up to 3 only. So the possible values of r equal 0, 1, 2, 3. So now we are getting 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 means we are getting 4 cases we are getting. So case number 1. So r equal to 0. R value is 0. R value you can substitute the division algorithm. B value also you have to substitute. So a equal 4q plus 0. That equal 4q plus 0. 4q plus 0 value is 4q. That equal this 4q, how we have to write it? 2 into 2q we can write or not? 2 into 2q. 2q means here 2q, instead of 2q I am taking some more integer I am taking, that is p. So 2p. Here I took p equal to 2q and p is some integer. P is some integer. So it is in the form of 2p. 2p means it is the general form of even integers. So it is in the form of even number. We are getting the even number form. So even number. Next, case number 2. R equal to 1. So R equal to 1 means A equal 4q plus 1. 4q plus 1. So 4q plus 1, how we have to take? 2 of, here this 4q I am writing 2 of 2q plus 1. Here instead of 2q I am taking p. So p equal to 2q. P is some integer. So 2p plus 1 we are getting. 2p plus 1. The general form of odd integers of the form is 2n plus 1. So even numbers 1 is 2n and the general form of even numbers is 2n. The general form of odd numbers is 2n plus 1. So it is in the form of 2p plus 1 is in the form of 2n plus 1 only now. So 2n plus 1 means this we are getting odd number or even number. So odd number. Next, case number 3. So r equal to 2. So a equal, here division algorithm only we need to write. A equal 4 cube plus 2. So in this 2 we can take the common. Here 2 and here also we are getting 2. So 2 I am taking the common means 2p plus 1 we are getting. Sorry, 2p not. 2 cube plus 1. So here this total 2 cube plus 1 I am taking as a p. So p equal to 2 cube plus 1. So p is some integer. P is some integer. So this is in the form of 2p. So we are getting 2 cube plus 1 means already we 2 cube plus 1 value we took p. So a equal to 2p. 2p means it is the general form of even integers. So this is we are getting even number. Next, case number 4. What value? R value is here. R value is 3. So R value we took 3. So R value we took 3 means A equal 4 cube plus 3. So 4 cube plus 3. 3 how we have to write it? 4 cube plus 2 plus 1 we can write. 2 plus 1 is 3 only now. So up to here 2 you can take the common. 2 I took the common. 2 cube plus 1 plus 1 as it is. Here bracket in 1. 2 cube plus 1. That 2 cube plus 1 you can take p. So p equal 2 cube plus 1. P is integer, some integer. So that value 2p plus 1. Instead of 2 cube plus 1 we can take p. So we got here 2p plus 1. 2p plus 1 means it is the general form of odd integer. So we are getting here odd number. So once you have to observe here, case number 1, 2p. 2p means even integer, and case number 2, 2p plus 1 means that is odd number. R equal to 2. R equal to 2 means we get 2p. 2p means the even integer. R equal to 3. R equal to 3 means 2p plus 1. 2p plus 1 means that is the general form of odd numbers. So last we need to write the conclusion step we need to write. So here 4 cube plus 1 and 4 cube plus 3 are the odd integer of the form. So just I will drop and write. Therefore, every positive odd integer of the form 4 cube plus 1 or 4 cube plus 3. Here R value 0 means the A value is 4 cube plus 0 means that is 4 cube. So 4 cube means we are getting even number. R value 1 means A equal 4 cube plus 1. So 4 cube plus 1 means we got odd number. Case number 2, R equal to 2. So R equal to 2 means A equal 4 cube plus 2. 4 cube plus 2 means we got here even number. R equal to 3. R equal to 3 means A equal 4 cube plus 3. 4 cube plus 3 means we got odd number. So here A equal 4 cube plus 1 and A equal 4 cube plus 3 only we got the odd numbers. So we can conclude the problem. Every positive odd integer of the form is 4 cube plus 1 means this one, 4 cube plus 1 and 4 cube plus 3. So where we are getting the odd numbers, that one we need to write the A values. In this video, we have seen how to solve the problems by using division algorithm. In the next video, we will see about finding the HCF by using division algorithm and steps to solve the HCF using division algorithm. Do comment if you have any clarification on this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.